Hey guys, how's it going? Larry here, Mitchell's RCs. Come back at you with a quick little video on the Associated Trophy Rat, aka Snow Rat. Just show you a quick little thing what I did to the front to keep the skis from slipping. Guys, is what I did is I added just a galvanized nail right here. If you guys can see that, put the camera right. I added a galvanized nail in here and I just zip tied it to the A-frame just to give me an anchor point to run this wire around that I got here that I hooked down in with shoe glue, and a couple extra pieces of metal I shoe glued in there also, just so the ski wouldn't bend. And by doing that with a wire, that locks the ski so it won't flip backwards like it was doing before. But that also is what was causing me not to have any steering the other day. You see, when I do that, get you on the other camera here, maybe you can see it better on this side here. So there's the nail. There's the way around the wire. We see how I looped the wire around the nail? I should have made that loophole bigger, guys. And that would allow that to slide. See how that wire has to slide on the nail? Well, that's what was causing my steering to mess up, guys. Because I wasn't sliding down the nail the way it's supposed to. So I've got to make those loops a little bit bigger on those, and that'll take care of the steering issue. But right now, the issue is, again, with this Associated, I've already changed the main gear once in this thing, and I believe I've stripped the gear out again in it, guys, already. So these gears that come on this Associated Trophy Rat are very soft. This is a Max 10 ESC with an Easy Run 3660 SL. It's a censored motor. It's a 4000 kV. Got a lot of guts, guys. I guess it's just got too much guts for this Trophy Rat. I'm gonna have to look into trying to find a gear, something I find aftermarket maybe that's steel that won't go, won't get all chewed up. This will be the third gear. That gear's gone again. This will be the third gear I've lost on this Trophy Rat. And every time it's because I put in a bigger motor than what came with it. This came with a 3300, guys. I put a 3650 in it, and that destroyed it twice. Two different 3650s that I put in it. So this last time I put a like I told you, 4000 kV is what this is. And I guess it's just too much. I have to drop back down to the 36, either the 3300, or, like I said, try to find something for gear that'll hold up. Oh wow, yep, that aluminum gear is gone, guys. Oh, and it messed up my pinion gear too. So I'm gonna have to get a new pinion and a new spur gear, guys. That was a hot racing gear there too. All aluminum though, it's aluminum. And I haven't had any luck with these aluminum hot racing gears. So I'm gonna have to get a new 5mm, I believe 20 or 22 tooth pinion. I don't know, I might be able to clean it out, but I don't know, I won't. I think I'm gonna have to get another pinion. And definitely another spur, guys. Look at that. Just look at that. Wow. So, I mean, I like hot racing and all, but this is the second hot racing gear, guys, I've burned up. Like I said, I'm gonna have to find something that's steel. Look at the table down there. Look at all the shavings. They were all the teeth, guys, from that aluminum gear. That's crazy. That is nuts. Oh, that sucks. Well, looks sure I'll be ordering some more parts, guys. So that's the issue, like I said, with the trophy rat. That's why it stopped the other day. Matt from Gus Customs Creations, he said it sounded like he thought it was a spur, but I didn't think it was going to be. I thought the pinion loosened up. No such luck. Well, let's pull this off here real quick and see what it looks like. These MIP drivers are so nice, guys. Working on my new workbench, guys. My wife got me. It's awesome. Some of them are alright, and then these side here is just rounded. It's not even worth messing with. I don't believe. Let me just see if that's the teeth or if that's the tooth from the aluminum here. Wow. Yeah, that's the aluminum gear stuck right in it. I could probably clean that out and save it, guys. I think I could clean that and save it. Them round spots are just aluminum stuck to the teeth from the other gear. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw it. Buy a new one. I'm not even gonna mess with it. I'm not even gonna mess with it. So I think I could save it, but it's not worth it. It's for no more than they cost. I probably have some in the drawer over there, actually. It's not worth it. As you see, I had to cut a hole in this cover. This Max 10 motor or whatever it is here, this Easy Run motor, is a lot bigger, longer shaft than the motors that go in here. So I had to make the hole bigger so it would fit. As you can tell, see how it sticks out through the cover. This had a little bubble in the cover anyways, but this was just still, it was probably like 3 mil too long. So, that's, wow, that's a lot of, a lot of fiber there, guys. So, this will be down for a little while, guys, before we get this going again. Like I said, I might just check into, if I can't find a gear for it, then I'm just gonna buy another 3300 kV motor and put back in it and just put the power back down on it, and probably stop running these paddle tires. They probably don't help on this with this gear. If I find a steel gear, then I'll put the paddles back on. Right now, I'll just run the regular trophy tires on the back when I fix it, the trophy truck tires that came with it, and the skis, and I think it'll still go. Like I said, unless I can find a steel gear to put here. But other than that, guys, I mean, I love the truck. I love the little two-wheel drive setup. It's a screamer, but it just doesn't seem to handle the power I'm trying to put to it. Not with these aluminum gears, like I'm saying. So if you're going to run this size motor with this kind of car, guys, and you got aluminum gear, you might want to look into getting a steel one. Alright guys, this is Larry here at Mitchell's RCs, and hope you enjoyed, and we'll catch you later.